This creator is building a new house, but he isn't using a toy set, he's using real construction material, and you won't believe how detailed the final result is. He starts by setting tiny rebar cages onto a foundation, then builds custom wooden molds and fills them with real wet concrete to make the pillars. He even builds a full deck and a staircase, smoothing every single tiny step with a mini trowel. Would you have the patience to build this? Write a comment.